Hello students, today in this video lecture we discuss some basic concepts which are required for to find eigen values and eigenvectors. Okay, this is a part from linear algebra. So let A be a matrix of order n, y and x are two non-zero column vectors such that y is equal to ax. Then the first point is a characteristic matrix of A. So the matrix A minus lambda I is known as a characteristic matrix of A, where matrix A and I are of the same order. I is identity matrix. Once you multiply identity matrix by lambda, you will get the lambda I, and we have to subtract that lambda I matrix from matrix A. So the matrix A minus lambda I, which is your characteristic matrix of A. Okay. The next point is characteristic polynomial. Now when we expand determinant of A minus lambda I, then we obtain a algebraic polynomial lambda of order n. Okay. When we expand determinant A minus lambda I, then we get algebraic polynomial in lambda of degree n, which is known as a characteristic polynomial. Therefore polynomial phi of lambda is equal to lambda raised to n plus a1, lambda raised to n minus 1, and so on up to an. The next is a characteristic equation. Now determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0, that is, if we equate determinant of A minus lambda I to 0, you will get a characteristic equation. And the next point, eigenvalue or characteristic root of equation. So if we solve the characteristic equation A minus lambda I, determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0, then you will get the roots which are known as characteristic roots or eigenvalues. This is an important concept. Eigenvalues is nothing but the roots of characteristic equation. Okay. The next point is a matrix equation. The equation A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0, which is known as the matrix equation. The most important point is eigenvector. So for each eigenvalue lambda I, there exists a non-zero eigenvector xi which satisfies the matrix equation Axi is equal to lambda I lambda x. So this vector xi is called as eigenvector. Now the important note is eigenvalues can be 0, but eigenvector is always a non-zero vector. So for 0 eigenvalue you will get the non-zero eigenvector. This is important. The next point is the spectrum of matrix A. The set of all eigenvalues of matrix A is nothing but the spectrum of A. The next point is the trace of A, that is a trace of matrix A. The sum of principal diagonal elements of a square matrix is called as the trace of that matrix A. Means trace is nothing but the addition of diagonal elements. Okay. The next point is orthogonal eigenvector. Two eigenvectors x1 and x2 are said to be orthogonal to each other if x1 transpose into x2 is equal to 0 or x1 into x2 transpose is equal to 0. Okay. Now these are the important notes. Note 1 is, if A is a 2 by 2 matrix, then the characteristic equation of A is given by lambda square minus s1 lambda plus determinant of A equal to 0, where your s1 is nothing but sum of diagonal elements. Okay. Now the second note, if matrix A is 3 by 3 matrix, then its characteristic equation is given by lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus determinant of A, which is equal to 0, where s1 is again sum of diagonal elements. Okay. And the most important, s2 is nothing but sum of minor of diagonal elements. Now suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to 0, then a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to 0, are two equations, then by Cramer's rule we have x upon determinant of b1 c1 b2 c2 is equal to minus y upon a1 c1 a2 c2 is equal to z upon determinant of a1 b1 a2 b2. Okay, you are familiar with this Cramer's rule, so remember this. Now we see the properties of eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So if lambda 1 lambda 2 lambda 3 up to lambda n are eigenvalues of matrix A, then the first property, trace of matrix A is equal to addition of eigenvalues or sum of eigenvalues, that is trace of A is equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 plus up to so on up to lambda n. Okay, next property, determinant of A is equal to the product of eigenvalues, that is determinant of A is equal to lambda 1 into lambda 2 into lambda 3 up to lambda n. The third point, eigenvalues of A inverse are 1 upon lambda 1, 1 upon lambda 2, 1 upon lambda 3 up to 1 upon lambda n. The next property, eigenvalues of Ka are k into lambda 1, then k into lambda 2, then k into lambda 3 up to k into lambda n. Means if we multiply the given matrix A by any scalar k, then its eigenvalues, so for that eigenvalues we have to multiply that scalar k to each eigenvalue. Okay, the next property, eigenvalues of A raised to m matrix are lambda 1 raised to m, lambda 2 raised to m, lambda 3 raised to m and so on up to lambda n raised to m. Okay, next property is eigenvalues of matrix A minus ki are lambda 1 minus k, lambda 2 minus k, lambda 3 minus k, lambda n minus k. Okay, now the eigenvalues of A transpose are lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 up to lambda n. So eigenvalues of matrix A and eigenvalues of its transpose are equal. Okay, then the eigenvalues of symmetric matrix are real. This is important point, eigenvalues of symmetric matrix are always real. Then the inverse matrix, if the inverse matrix exists if and only if lambda j is not equal to 0 for j equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. The next property, eigenvalues of upper or lower triangular matrices are nothing but the diagonal elements. This is important point. The next point is, if x is an eigenvector of matrix A, then the which is corresponding to an eigenvalue lambda, then kx is also an eigenvector. This is also important point. The next property, eigenvector corresponding to an eigenvalue is not unique, it can be different. Okay, and the last property, for distinct eigenvalue corresponding eigenvectors are linearly independent. This is most important. Okay, for distinct eigenvalues corresponding eigenvectors are linearly independent. Now so you have to remember all these properties for online purpose. If there is online examination, then you must know all these properties. This can be asked for MCQs. Okay, so I hope you understand all the basic concepts which are required for to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix. Thank you.